Hi, so this is a little look at um, the WordPress and the WordPress community and how it works. So the site might look something like this: Storytelling Flow, February 2019. Or if this is a video that you're using for another site, then you can take a look at that. The two important things to know about are up on the left, Reader, because that will give you a look at the most recent posts on the site, and then uh, two things over here. Write, that's to make a new post, and then the bell will give you a list of all the comments and stuff. And this little thing is your profile. So if I go to Reader, actually I got that in a new tab over here. It looks like this, and this is some of the things that are happening in some of the SAW sites. This is the Inking 1 Master class. This is also that, and this is the Graphic Memoir class. You can visit it if there's a new post that you haven't seen yet. You can click Visit. I'm going to open it in a new tab. This is going to be an inking post, but you'll see it there. And there it is. And there's no images there, but there's somebody has posted there. So if I want to comment, I can comment there. Again, let's go back to the home page. If I want to write a new post, it's giving me a second to open up a new window. I've already written the test post. I'm going to write a second test post. Hello, Storytelling Flow. This is a second test post to get used to things. I can add images. This little icon here will let me add an image. I'm going to upload something. You can upload it obviously from your own computer or from your phone or whatever. Now, a couple things when you do post. One is to make sure to put it in the right category. Here it's over here on the right. You see introductions and hellos. I'm going to put it there. And the other thing, you can add a tag if you want, birds, whatever. Set a featured image will make it a little bit prettier. And I'm going to the featured image sort of is just what will appear on the home page, and more importantly, what will appear on the page itself when it opens. I'm going to publish that. And I guess I don't know what will happen if I hit View Post. I think it'll just bring me to the home page with that post. Yeah, so our header is there, but I click down and I see there's the post I just made. This is a second test post to get used to things. Now I can comment, or you can comment, or anybody can comment. The one thing to know about with comments is that you can't upload images, but you can post to images. So if I go to, or you can link to images. I'm going to go to Garfield minus Garfield and pick. I'm going to copy the image address. I'm going to put it there. I think this will work, and I'm going to notify me of new comments, post comment. And now, once it refreshes, I should be good. There's my post. Oh, the comment hasn't come up yet. How come? Interesting. Let's try that one more time. Sorry about that. Oh, there it is. No. Yeah, I'm gonna hit refresh. I'm not sure if I've. Oh yeah, there it is. Just needed to refresh for whatever reason. So that image did post. So like I said, the reader, and again, I'm gonna click that reader. Will give you your whatever new sites are happening. I'm not sure if my new. Yep. So my new Storytelling Flows post just posted in my reader there. And I think, I don't know if I'm working too fast, but if I see, no, my comments haven't posted yet. So those will presumably happen sooner or later. The one thing you want to see, or that is worth knowing about in comments, is that if you click on a comment, it'll open up to your left, or maybe in a new window on the phone or on mobile, and you can actually comment on a comment there. And I've clicked that, I've commented there. I can go look at that later in a new tab if I like, or whatever. Make sure that you're following the whatever site you're on. I'm following these. You may have to enter the full URL into here in order to follow it, and it's not too hard to do that, but since I'm already following it, I can't demonstrate that for you. So that's pretty much it. Again, reader is important to see new posts. Write, if you want to write a new post, and the bell is for comments and notifications. If you want to mess with your profile, I recommend it. This is your display name. This is something about you. Mine's pretty short. Click to change the photo and notification settings and stuff like that. So welcome, and thanks for joining us, and let's get a lot out of this community and this learning experience, and thanks.